Solidco Mould Factory is a comprehensive manufacturer of plastic injection molds located in Huangyan, Taizhou, in Zhejiang Province, China. We have more than 20 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting molds and plastic products. Our workshop have full sets of mold CNC machining equipment. The complete CNC equipment not only reduce the cost, but also help us to supervise mold machining process and control the mold manufacturing to follow its schedule. Solidco manufacture household molds, office furniture molds, logistic molds, home appliance molds, PVC pipe fitting molds, agriculture irrigation molds, and OEM production for plastic products. As a professional China plastic injection mold supplier and household mold manufacturer, Solidco focus on quality and on-time delivery. With an advanced design system and full set of CNC machining equipment, Solidco commit to ensure the reliable quality and shorten the delivery time for every mold. Solidco has scientific management system and superior staff team, providing customers with mold design, mold processing, production plan, and quality assurance. We have been improving the production technology during mold manufacturing. Solidco has been improving the management. Customer satisfaction is our final target. We engage in serving our customers with one-stop service. Quality proves strength. Details reach to success. Solidco Mould, work with us. We are confident to have good cooperation with you.